Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme Narzo 80 Lite is not turning on. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, plug in your charger. After plug in your charger, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.